Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is Kaushik Chakravarti from Faculty of Education and Methodology, and today I am discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing, and today's topic name is electrograms. Before we start the topic, we are defining here as the previous topic the types of signals with biomedical signals, and in very first we will start what is the signals and what is the difference of signals and biomedical signals. And in the last lecture we have discussed about the types of signals, and we are defining the various types of biomedical signals are there with the different the signals capacity of body parts, and with the different structure of the body we are defining various types of signals. Today we are discuss about electromonograms. This is EMG. Electromonogram is an electro diagnostics medicines techniques for evaluating and recording the electrical activity produced by skeletal muscles. We have different types of muscles in our body, and different types of muscles have generated different types of signals. To generate the signals and to escalate the signals, there are various techniques to inputs and collect the signals as outputs. EMG is performed using an instrument called electromyograph to produce a record. An electromyograph detects the electric potentials generated by muscle cells. When these cells are electrically or neurologically activated, the signals can be analyzed to detect medicals, abnormalities, activation levels, and recruitment ordered to analyze the biomechanics of humans or animals movement. Suppose we have different cells and different body parts, we have detects different signals from different body parts, and the signals detection is very much unnatural. Yeah, it's abnormalities. So that means there is some difference of signals in humans' bodies, and the signals difference and the signals capacities is detected by the electromyographs. EMG is testing very variety of clinical and biomedical applications. EMG is used as a diagnostic tools for identify neuromuscular disease or as a research tool for studying kinesiology and disorders of motor control. EMG signals are sometimes used to guide toxins and other injections for muscles. EMG signals are also used to control the such device which are detected by the signals, and these signals are also used for neuromuscular monitoring levels with different parts of different times. This is a very popular and primary myopic condition are EMG used to perform another electrodiagnostics medicines test by measure control and the nervous system. This is called nerve condition studies. That means, again I am repeating, expect in this some cases, expect in this some functions purely primarily myopathic conditions, EMG is usually performed with another electrodiagnostic medicine test that measure the conducting functions of nerves. This is called nerve condition studies, NCS. Needles, EMG and NCS are typically indicated when there is a pain in the limbs, weakness from spinal nervous compression, or concern about some other neurologic injury or disorder. Spinal nervous injury does not cause neck, mid back pain or low back pain, and for this reason evidence has shown EMG or NCA is a helpful diagnostic method. So here the diagnostics methods are helpful for the human bodies to diagnostic the disease and for cure the patient, and also ENG is a very useful tools to diagnostic this type of disease. The medical conceptual things are very popular in these lessons, and we are hope you are satisfied with my digital session powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University digital version 2. If have you query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.